Hey everyone, my name's Chris Alsop and I'm a camera operator and an editor, and I absolutely love what I do. So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, what does film and video offer students and schools in this new and definitely challenging time? Well, when we break down film and video and what it's actually all about, it's really quite simple. It's about connection. When somebody creates a piece of work, the goal of creating that piece of work is to connect with the viewer, to connect with the audience. And connection today is definitely in short supply. So I would definitely argue that film and video and arts actually in general are needed now more than they ever have been. The awesome thing about film and video is that it embodies so many different traits. It requires problem solving and thinking outside the box. It teaches technology, it promotes continuous learning, and at the core of film and video production, it's teamwork. The sky is the limit with regards to creativity and imagination. Now, yes, there are restrictions, and that is something that we're going to have to learn to live with on a daily basis, at least for the moment. But the great thing about restrictions is that it actually propels innovation, it propels creativity. And film and video production is no different. For students, this can open up a whole new way of thinking. And for teachers, hopefully, it allows them to better connect to their students. And the beauty with learning film and video production in 2020 is the abundance of material online. And it's all free. In fact, anyone can get started with a simple cell phone and a free editing app that can be found online. So that's it. I really hope that I get to see you at some point soon, either in front of the camera or behind the camera.